Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to share with you how I use ChatGPT to speed up my web development project. And when I show you this, you're going to be literally blown away as to how fast you can create, finish, and develop your project. So hey guys, welcome to Code with Mark, where I share helpful videos to help you become a professional web developer a lot faster. If you are interested in learning how to become a professional web developer a lot faster and learn technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MongoDB, MySQL, and others that are going to help you create amazing, awesome web development app, do consider subscribing to the channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. So for this video, I'm gonna use these prompts that I already have created. Basically, let me just make this a little bigger so you can see it. Let's go here and then zoom in. We'll just go zoom in a little further. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a JavaScript plugin that will validate form entry. So let's copy this. And don't worry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to also share a ChatGPT URL so that you can literally take this prompt, copy and paste the code if you like it. So let's go here and let's make this a little bigger, I guess. So make it easier for you to see. And here it is. And we're going to go and click on this arrow, or you could press the enter key and let's see what it does. And literally in front of your eyes is creating a simple but yet most effective way of doing it. And I'm just showing you how I use this. And obviously, you know, you can give it a little better prompt and then you will be able to get the results that you need for your project. So for example, let's go all the way up. So this will give you the whole HTML code. You can copy and paste it, put it into your project, and that is that. And that's literally what I have been doing lately. And I must say, I absolutely love it. So let's go through this particular form. So this is pretty simple form. It's just name, email, password, and submit button. And then it created this validation function right here, which will validate to make sure that name is entered. If it's not, then it's going to show you this alert, which is pretty ugly way of showing alert. That's what happened when we used this JavaScript back in the 90s. That's what it was really good. But nowadays it's not as effective. But the point being is this: if you want to use this ChatGPT, you can literally just copy and paste these. So let's take this prompt and give it a little more jazz to it. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, man, I just want to give you a quick reminder that I have this special gift that's going to help you, that you can get it at this URL. Don't forget to get it. And don't worry, I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to make it easier. All right, now back to your video. Okay, create a JavaScript function plugin that will validate a form entry, nothing changed, using Bootstrap CSS alert. So let's see what it will do for us. So I'm going to copy this, hit the enter key, and before our eyes, ChatGPT is creating this same form, but with the Bootstrap adding to it. So imagine this for a second. If you have a project that you need something simple like this, or even something different, you could just add the prompt and it will create it for you. And all you really gotta do is cut, copy, paste, and nothing else. And if nothing else, what you can do is copy this function and you could use that into your project very easily. So let's see what it actually did. So let's go all the way up. So this is the validation form, which is this, and let's see what it did. So we go down. So it created a function called display alert, and now it's using the CSS class called danger. It already knows that this is the form, the CSS you would need to use if you want to show a red color prompt, right? So same thing, if there's nothing named here, it's going to show this. And if there's nothing here for email, then it's going to show this. And then if there's nothing here for password, it's going to show this. And then obviously you can customize this to be whatever you want, right? So let's go here. And in here, what it's doing is display alert. It is using it will create a div container alert ID. Then it will create a div. Basically, it's going to create a small little container underneath the prompt, and then it's going to show it that, right? But if you have used my videos in the past, or you watched my videos in the past, you know how much I love jQuery. We could have done it any better, meaning I couldn't have finished this particular video without using jQuery, right? So same concept, only thing I'm doing here is I am just telling it to use jQuery, create a jQuery plugin that will validate form entries using JavaScript Bootstrap. So here we go, copy this, and I'm gonna go here, paste it, and then we're gonna go down, and then it's gonna do the same exact thing, right? Same exact thing, but only difference will be now it's going to create a jQuery plugin. Now imagine the power of this. You create this plugin, then you can literally just use it for whatever you want. So let's go further up. And now all it does is on submit form, it's going to do this. So let's go take a look at this particular form. This function, which is this, now it's going to loop through all of the entries, which we go up. It's the same exact one. We have name, email, password, boom. And then whenever this is clicked, it's going to go through here, go through this, and form, password, show the alerts, highlight it, unhighlight it, and that is that. It's going to add the class, remove the class, append to the class if it's good. Like, that is extremely helpful, right? So let's take it one step further. I'm going to take all of this, and then I'm going to say something different. Now, this time around, create a plugin, or in this case, for PHP, we'll use a create a PHP class that will validate a form entry. Now, you'll be surprised to know that it can literally take any language, whether it be a JavaScript, whether it be jQuery, whether it'll be a PHP, whether it be Python, whether it be any other. You could even do a MySQL table structure for you. So let's say now that we have this class that we can use right over here, this created a form class validator in PHP. Like, how awesome is that, right? So let's take it one step further. Create a MySQL, actually, yeah, let's just do create a MySQL table for form entry for user, email, name, and password. Let's see what it will do. So now it's going through the process. Like, imagine this. You no longer have to write down everything manually. So let's see what it did. It actually went one step further than I thought. It created this prompt that you can literally use this to run your MySQL. So it created an auto ID, it created an email, character, boom, boom, boom. Like, that's cool. But what it actually did, it went one step further. So it created a PHP code that you will use in order for you to take the entry from the HTML, AJAX into this, and then add it into the table. Like, imagine if you had to write this by yourself manually, how long it will take you as compared to using ChatGPT. Within less than 10 seconds, you have done this. So if you like this kind of video and you want to learn a quick little tips, secrets, and hacks to speed up your web development project, you know what to do, right? Follow me right here for more. And as I always say, happy coding, guys.